my god, Osiris. I haven't turned this on yet. Let's turn it on. Yeah.
It's your space, your zone. Small zone by sacred territory.
Oh, so this tool then is like all.
So I created a tool.
Hmm. You're so, like, you get into everything, you know that? You can't fit back there. You can't have those. This is a hateful, but I love you though. There's nothing in there except for paper. Recycling. There's nothing in there. You're so weird. Yeah, you're weird. It's like, I think there's something in there. You know those cat treats that you had? I think I can smell it. Hey. You are very nosy. You are very nosy, you know that? You looked in my trash can. Osiris. What's in there? There's nothing in there. I'll even show him. It's just recycling. Oh yeah, it's the frosting. Maybe that's what he wants. I fixed it.
Okay.
I had to put the flower back on because it wasn't working.
What?
You had one of the pedals backwards.
Like, this cat is just something else. When he starts playing, he starts playing. But he doesn't know how to play. In his way, that's playing. He's like, okay, I'll just sit here and lick my paws.
You could tell he was hyper though.
Yeah.
Like,
What?
Like
you hyper? Are you hypered? I think he's hypered. I think he's like, okay, I just gotta take a breather. Yeah, he's a good boy. Stop sticking your nose in my trash.